everyone, welcome to Bookworm Society. This is Nandini Shakya, and today we are going to read a story titled Singing in the Rain. The authors are Malakumar and Manisha Chaudhary, and the illustrator is Rajiv Ipi. So, let us read the story. Sukhiya Kaka lived in a village called Bitona. Bitona was famous all over Rajasthan for its singers. No celebration was complete without Sukhiya Kaka's sweet songs. Today, he had been invited to village Chalora. Sukhiya Kaka twirled his big moustache and set off. He was singing Rag Malhar. Come to me, O rolling clouds. Suddenly, he heard doop, 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 doop. Was someone giving a beat to his song? Dino, the dinosaur, came running towards him. Sukhiya Kaka was so happy to see him. You don't get such a big listener every day. Come to me, O rolling clouds, shower me with lovely rain. Sukhiya Kaka and Dino sang a duet and did a little jig to keep time. The clouds just had to listen to them. Lightning flashed and wind danced. Dark clouds came rolling in. Sukhiya Kaka and Dino laughed with joy. As the rain came pouring down, Sukhiya Kaka and Dino shared a small umbrella. Then off they went to Jalora, following the smell of yummy pakoras, singing, Oh, thank you for the lovely rain, ooh la la la. Dear reader, have you ever seen a dinosaur? Do you think they would have sung songs? What do you like to do in the rain? What do you like to eat when it rains? Thank you for listening to the story. Hope you liked it.